Hi everyone, welcome back to this course. So in this section, we want to do on like, comment, and bookmark, and update user profile page. So when you see a post, you can like and unlike it, and comment, like love it, comment it, and you can also delete it, love it, again. Alright, and you can also bookmark or unbookmark. So I will bookmark several posts, and I can go to a specific post as well and go to user profile page, and on user profile page you can see my posts, all of the posts I have uploaded, and my saved posts like this. So I'm super excited now, so let's get started.